需要用個手臂換，你用個手腕去換。
Mr. Jung has 5 of his regular erhu students going over a new song. They are typical music students here at the music office, except for one.
大家，個對比要大啲。1, 2, 1, stop. Okay.
Justin Wong started learning the erhu here at our music office since primary 2 or 3. I think every student finds it boring learning this musical instrument at the beginning, maybe because of our rather strict requirements. We must have them learn all the basics because we have exams every year.
The music office, part of the Leisure and Cultural Services Department, teaches music to around 4,500 students a year. The proportion is about a third of the students learn Chinese instruments compared with Western ones, which the office describes as normal. Justin's talent stands out.
What did you like about it?
It's wonderful, the sound.
Yeah? What's your...
I think that is more expressional than the violin.
More expressive?
More expressive, yes.
Oh. Can you give me an example? Play something for me that's expressive.
This is the woman crying. It's something like that.
At the beginning, he was already a good boy. He is much more interested than his classmates.
Students from around Hong Kong, from all walks of life, seek lessons at the music office for a nominal fee. Many arrive not having decided what instrument they want to play. Justin landed on the erhu because his dad wanted him to learn a Chinese instrument in addition to his piano.
You think it's old-fashioned?
No, it's not old-fashioned because we can play modern songs too. Like yesterday, I have go to my relative's wedding ceremony. Then it's a banquet. I cooperate with my cousin. He plays violin and I play erhu. We play the modern songs, pop music for Chinese orchestra.
Justin has also started composing tunes for orchestra and sharing them with others over the internet.
Twinkle, twinkle.
This is an early work, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, for a Chinese orchestra.
I personally think the erhu has a strong Chinese feeling. The sound is bitter and sad, or it can be quite fast. I like the music played on the erhu, so I advise him to choose the erhu.
Justin thinks music should be shared.
At first, it shows a clear scene that the water flows very raw.
Every day he comes home, the first thing he says, I'll practice the erhu first. I ask why he doesn't play the piano first. He says, I like to play the erhu first. And he'd practice non-stop. You ask him to stop, he keeps practicing.
Soloist is a 2-time winner of the annual citywide music festival.
So, who did you win against? How many other people?
21.
21 people?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Were they all older than you?
Yes.
That isn't unheard of in Hong Kong's musical circles, but it is rare. Most champions are in Form 4 or 5. Justin shows off the banhu he used in his championship solo. Its pitch is higher than the 3 erhus he also owns. The instrument chosen depends on the emotion demanded by the music.
It's talking about a pair of couples. They are talking in far distance at night. While it is 5 o'clock in the morning, the crescent in the sky hanging is their romantic conversation.
Is this from your championship?
And it has a allegretto.
exploding from his erhu, is there a divo lurking within, aching to get out?
We do remind him not to show off in front of his schoolmates when he wins a championship. And he never did things like this. All his school teachers like him a lot. They say he isn't an arrogant person.
After 2 victories in the music festival, are his teachers whispering the P word yet?
我覺得佢係好有天分嘅。可唔可以話係天才？其實就
I think he's very talented. Can we say he's a prodigy? It depends on the path he takes in the future and how we can help him along this path. It's up to him whether he ends up choosing music as his career.
I can't say that I have a talent, but I can say that I love music.